social cohesion? And also, how about we document and preserve the history of Swaneville? Because upon our stats, we realized that most of the people in Swaneville are not aware of this massacre. Even some of those who've been living there for a very long time are not aware of this massacre. In fact, as I started to post about this massacre, people were questioning me, did this just happen recently? And I'm like, no, this thing has happened in 1991. But most people are not aware of it, especially this young generation. So we want to then commemorate with our community on the 16th of May at the hall, Swaneville Community Hall, at about 11 o'clock. We want to have all the stakeholders on board, our councillors, our pastors, our victims, even those who want to come and perform. Everyone is welcomed. This is a community thing. There's been also other stakeholders who've been pushing this commemoration. We are also inviting them. So far, we even have a WhatsApp group. We tried to put in all different stakeholders to be part and parcel of the planning.